Yeah, we've been going to the MBA conventions for years now, a long time, and one of the themes, first of all, is in San Diego, so 72 and sunny is not too bad for us coming from the East Coast or from the central United States this time of year. And a question that we get a lot is, what is the theme? What are you hearing from other companies? We get that throughout the year, but especially at these events. The way we structure our day is typically we start at 7 in the morning, we go until late in the evening with just back-to-back meetings with lots of different mortgage bankers, executives, production leadership. I think the tone this year was really positive, actually. And I only say actually because I do think that the industry's been a little bit on edge the last couple of years relative to the regulatory environment, TRID coming out, which is sort of happening at the moment, compliance costs and compliance overall. But there's some real positives right now and a lot of excitement. You know, you have a compressing market overall. You have increasing production or purchase activity. And those are all positive things. And the companies that are prepared, that know who they are, that know how to communicate their value proposition, and that have the resources in place to be able to help themselves expand are really well positioned. Now, with that though, we are in a purchase market. Rates aren't going to drop and all of a sudden volumes are going to go through the roof. So it's even more important today that companies have the right tools and resources in place to either get more out of the originators that they already have and or influence folks from the outside to join their organizations. And that's going to happen by having the pieces in place to help their managers be better at that process, have internal recruiting firms that can help support, or external. Now for us, it's an exciting time also, right? Because that puts us in a good position to support both from an external recruiting perspective, but also provide software and technologies that can help those companies get better at it themselves. But just like in anything else, the ones that are going to hit the mark are the ones that are already prepared to take advantage of the environment and maybe just have a couple of gaps that they need to fill. The ones that are behind may not be in the best position to go grow and expand. So overall, it was very positive and absolutely growth, strategic growth from a production perspective is certainly the key topic.